Hey there, health and fitness fans. Today we've got a fun product, and it comes to us from Cat Mountain. It's compact, quick-dry microfiber sports towel. Best for the gym, yoga, fitness, running, workout, camping, and travel. And when I first purchased it, I didn't realize it comes with a free face towel and a separate mesh bag. Being used at the gym and on the Stairmaster, I quickly realized that it really does absorb water quickly. In fact, their website says it's at 10 times the rate of normal cloth. The stylish blue with orange kind of reminds me of the Florida Gators. It's soft to the touch, sturdy, well constructed, and like I said, it comes with canvas bags. You see the blue already taken out of the bags, and then the gray still in the bags. Prices change over time, but the large and small towel together currently run under 20 bucks, considerably under 20 bucks on Amazon. Personally, I really like the face towel. It was easy to throw on the Stairmaster, on the bike, and I even threw it in my pocket for my runs. I live in Florida, so the sweat sometimes can get in your eyes, and the towel isn't a bad idea to carry on you. I actually gave the gray one to my friend Amanda, and she uses it during yoga. So that's just one option, so there's many things you can use it for. Go ahead and click like and subscribe, come back for new videos every week, and I'll put a link for this product in the description below. Thanks for watching.